Hello, my name is James Flores, and today I'm going to be unboxing the EcoFlow MC4 to XT60i 5-meter solar charging cable. On the official Australian EcoFlow website, this costs $59.90 for the 5-meter version. But I picked this up from eBay, the EcoFlow flagship store, which is apparently their official store, one of them, for $10.90. That is a huge saving. And I also had a coupon code for 10% off, APR1L10. So this cost me $8.91 with free shipping. So as you can see, it's in the official EcoFlow box. It's even embossed there. So it's definitely feels legit. And on the back here, you've got the serial numbers and stuff. I won't put that on camera. Serial number, SKU, all that stuff. Yes, official box. Let's open it up. I had got my knife, but I don't need it because it's just got a little pull tab here. Let's pull that off. Official seal. Oop, that didn't come out very cleanly. Put that in the bin. Here we are. Open it up. Dun da da da. Can you see that? All right. You get this silica gel. Throw it out. Don't need it. Anti-static bag. It's sealed, definitely sealed. Here it is. MC4 connectors. It says do not disconnect under load. Right. There we go. There we go. And XT60. And it's a 14 gauge cable. See if I can get that on camera for you. 14 gauge cable. Yep, definitely feels EcoFlow quality. Got a little joiner thing here. Yeah, there's not much to it. Feels very, very flexible. And yeah, I assume that's 5 meters. So there we go. A significant savings from $59.90 to $10.90 free shipping. Use that code APR1L10, basically April 10 with a 1 in it, to get it for $8.91. There's 8 left on the EcoFlow flagship store in Australia. And I'll be using this to charge my Delta 2, which will be in a new video coming up shortly down the track. Can't wait to share that video with you.